Since publishing my first donut tutorial, millions of people have created their own. Pink donuts, chocolate donuts, Lego donuts, tattooed donuts. You guys created so many donuts that the Blender subreddit had to make a no donuts rule. And all this made me think. Right now, there's probably millions of donuts sitting on hard drives around the world doing nothing. What if we could use them for something good? What if we could use donuts to further Blender's development? So here's the crazy idea. You send me your donut, I'll render it, and then I'll put your render alongside all the other donuts in a giant mosaic, which will then be sold as a non-fungible artwork on the blockchain, and all of the proceeds will be donated to Blender to further its development. Not only will you get to say that you were part of hopefully one of the largest art projects in the world, you'll get your name on the artwork wall when it's live, but you'll also get a warm fuzzy feeling knowing that your little donut went on to help Blender. Now, I'm going to be using an automated script to read these blend files, obviously, so it's important that it's sent to me in the right format, otherwise it won't be included. So, if you want to participate, here's the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Goes without saying, but create a donut following my tutorial. You can change the colors or make it your own so that you can identify it, but it must be a donut, no anvils. Step 2, delete everything that isn't a donut, icing, or sprinkles. No wall, coffee, lamps, or anything else. Delete it, as this is just going to confuse the script. And also hide the sprinkles collection so that it will still appear in the render as particles, but it won't appear separate to confuse the script. Finally, step 3, save as, then hit that little cogwheel and select compress. Then using the form in the description, attach that blend file and leave the rest to me. If you've done this correctly, then hopefully within a couple of weeks, you'll be able to spot your trusty donut alongside others in a giant mosaic. The exact design of this mosaic will change depending on the type of colors and the quantity of donuts I receive, but it'll probably be something similar. It'll then be posted on a yet to be decided NFT platform. Still not sure whether it's best to do it as like a one-off auction or to sell several limited edition prints. If anyone's experienced in NFT markets, I'm open to advice. And while the platform and cryptocurrency haven't been decided yet, if it is using Ethereum, then a small portion of the funds will also go to making this not just carbon neutral, but carbon positive using instantaneous carbon capture. But to make this happen, I need donuts. Lots of donuts. So please help me out by posting this, sharing this on social media, Reddit, or wherever it gets eyeballs, so that we can hopefully make this one of the largest community art projects and get more money for Blender. The link to send your blend file is in the description, but you have just 1 week until the submissions close. I look forward to seeing your donut.